Ever wondered how your private photos or messages could stay safe from AI models trained on them? What if you could protect your data without ever sharing the actual files? That's the breakthrough behind T2UE, a technique that's redefining data privacy. Let's dive into how it works and why it's a game changer. Here's the problem. AI models like Clip or GPT are trained on massive datasets, often scraped from the web. But what if those datasets include your private stuff? Imagine your vacation photos being used to train a rival company's AI without your consent. That's a privacy nightmare. Enter Unlearnable Examples, U, a clever trick to mess up this process. Think of UEs as digital poison pills. They're tiny changes added to data that confuse AI models, making them learn the wrong stuff. But here's the catch. Traditional UEs need the original data to work. If you want to protect your photo, you have to hand it over to a third party. It's like locking your door but leaving the key under the mat, exactly where a thief would look. That's where T2UE steps in. Instead of relying on the original image, it uses just a text description. How? By leveraging a powerful AI called Clip, which understands both images and text. Here's the magic. T2UE turns your text into a map that guides the creation of noise, those confusing changes, directly in the image space. It's like giving a chef a recipe instead of the ingredients. The chef can still make a dish, but you never have to share your secret spices. This isn't just clever, it's a game changer. T2UE doesn't need the original image, so you can protect your data without ever exposing it. Whether it's a photo of your dog, a video of a private moment, or even a text document, T2UE wraps it in a digital shield. And it's not just theoretical. Experiments show this method works across different AI models, from image recognition to complex tasks like 3D modeling. But why does this matter? Imagine a future where you can share your data securely, like uploading a photo to a social media app, without worrying about it being used to train a rival company's AI. T2UE makes that possible by eliminating the need for data exposure altogether. It's what researchers call zero-contact data protection. Your data stays private, even from the tools trying to protect it. Now let's talk speed. When researchers want to make AI forget specific information, like protecting private data or blocking harmful biases, they need tools that are both powerful and fast. And T2UE. It's a speed demon. Imagine training an AI to recognize images on a dataset like Flickr 8K. Other methods. M takes over an hour. MEM3. A full 4.4 hours. Even TAP. It's stuck waiting 4.1 hours just to train a separate model before it can even start. But T2UE. It does the whole job in just 18 minutes. How? By using a pre-trained generator, a kind of AI helper that's already been trained on tons of data. No need to start from scratch. It's like having a seasoned chef in the kitchen instead of a first-time cook. Same goal, way less time. Why does this matter? As AI becomes more advanced, keeping data safe and ethical is critical. T2UE's speed makes it practical for real-world use, whether you're protecting sensitive information or stopping biased patterns from creeping into AI systems. It's not just about stopping learning, it's about controlling it. So next time you hear about AI learning from data, remember, researchers are now building tools that can make that learning unlearnable, and T2UE is leading the charge. Faster, smarter, and more secure. Thanks for watching and stay curious.